Hello friends, today in this video I will show you fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 10. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. First you need to click on start. Now type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now click on run as administrator. Now type here command. This command line. Now click on enter. Now click on enter and close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.